do you have? So when I started to reading that newspaper, so I was unable to read. There are many different difficult words are there in that newspaper. So at the time my uncle told me, you have completed 12 but you don't know. My name is Mohammed Nihal. I am from Bihar. And if I talk about my qualification level, so I have completed 12 also, because I studied. And now if I'll talk about my occupation, so I am a dental technician. I work in a laboratory in Delhi. So I am a working professional right now.
That's all, bro.
That's all about me.
Yeah, yeah.
As you said that you are from Coach Bihar. So Coach Bihar is near me. I am from Islampur. You can say, I can say that. You know Islampur?
Uh, uh, I listen name is Islampur, but I actually properly I don't know where is Islampur. Islampur, city of here.
No, no. Islampur, West Bengal. It is in West Bengal. Uttar Dinajpur, Islampur, Siliguri.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I yeah, I know Islampur, but I don't go there.
So you did not visit Islampur in your life.
Yeah, yeah.
About Coach Bihar, that's why I told you that I think you know about this place.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell me about your speaking journey.
My speaking journey is so poor because uh, actually I started my speaking journey uh, from 6 months ago, and
Yes.
I spoke only 3 person, uh, you and another 2 person, and my spoken English is very poor.
Bro, we are all in the learning process not now. We are in a initial time. We are in a learning process. So we all are co-learner.
Yeah,
We are
yeah,
not we are so we can make mistake. It is fine. Without making mistake, we cannot improve our speaking skill. It is not possible. So I also in learning stage am trying to find my feet in this skill, but still I'm not able to get better. I'm not get fluency. So I have been learning English last 2 years. So I'm not consistent on this because I'm a working profession. So I mostly don't get time to practice. But nowadays I'm in my hometown. I'm in holidays, took leaves. That's why I get lots of free time. So simply I try to utilize my time in this area, in this field. So I have talked only 3-4 peoples in this application in
yeah, yeah.
Skype. Uh, Apart from this, I have many more application uh, which is very helpful for me. That like you know about Jostock. I think you have heard Jostock. It is very
Yeah.
famous to practice. There are many co-learners. You can easily connect with anyone to talk to practice every day. So I have every not talk to so much people because in this application it is not running smoothly in my device. I always face network issue. That's why I don't like to talk. I don't like to make video calls to person, to anyone. Whenever I try to get connect with anyone, so always I have a I'm having a problem. I was having a problem that network is not good, so they are not they are not visible. They are not able to see me. I'm not visible. They cannot see me. They cannot hear my voice properly. So that is the reason. That's why I'm not using this application. Sometime right now I thought it is running very smooth, so I should to any person. Why I have tell me the thing that why are you learning English? What is the what is the reason behind your learning this skill, and what are the process you are doing right now so get better in this in this particular language?
Yeah, 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 of course. Bro, actually, I want to become a successful YouTuber. Uh,
YouTuber.
YouTuber,
And
and
I just want to say something to you. Sorry for interrupt. So you want to be a successful YouTuber. So I think that you have a YouTube channel. Are you running a YouTube channel?
yeah, 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 bro.
Oh,
I have a YouTube channel that's called Deepak Verma.
okay.
I
So
upload some videos on my YouTube channel.
you have uploaded some video on your YouTube channel related to English language,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah, yeah.
conversation.
No, bro. One video is conversation video one, and another video uh, by English language. Hmm.
Mostly all over you are trying to upload your video in English content.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. That's great. Okay, so how many subscriber you have in your channel?
Two subscribers. Only
Okay,
I got.
no problem. It will increase gradually. You have to be consistent. Then it is possible. Nothing is impossible in this era, in this world. Okay, that's great. You have to try. If you will not try, you will know that how much potential we have. So that's great. And
Um, Actually, first of all, I am focusing my communication skill on my communication skill.
okay, that's great. So the thing is that you want to run your YouTube channel. You want to be a YouTuber. That's why you are learning this skill. You want to be English. You want to be a fluencer in English. I'm right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So are you consistent in this process? Are you
So,
putting?
sorry.
Are you putting your efforts to get better every day? Are
Of course, bro. I am always trying to uh, become better myself every day.
okay, so what are the thing that you are doing to improve your skill?
Bro, I tell you, actually, first of all, I am focusing on my communication skill. That's why uh, I always try talk to people
Okay, okay, okay. You always
because,
try
because
people.
realize that uh, if I really want to learn English language, so communication is must important. Practice is most important. That's why. Uh,
Definitely, it is. I agree with you totally because practice makes men perfect. So practice. is very important in our learning. It will, you will practice, how much you will get benefit. So that is the thing. It's matter a lot. Practice matters a lot in our English speaking journey. Simply, I just want to tell you that we this is not our mother tongue. This is other language
Yeah,
we are learning. So it will take time definitely. We have to consistent. We don't think that I'm not getting improved, so I should leave this. So we don't think like this. It will be improved day by day. So bro, where are you right now? Where are you going? You're on the way, I think, on the road.
yeah, bro. I am on the road. Actually, uh, network is so poor at my home. That's why I am here.
Yes, yes, that's the reason. That is the
Yeah,
reason because I have already mentioned that I am also having a network issue in my area. That's why I am not using this application mostly. Yeah, this is the reason. But
yes,
I don't like to go outside because it's very hot weather.
yeah.
So yes. And your name is Deepak Barma. Okay, that's a nice name.
Thank
So
you,
you do nowadays? As of now, what is your work? I mean to say that what is your profession?
bro. Actually, uh, nowadays my profession is a vegetable seller. I am a vegetable seller, and I have a small shop mm, of
Okay,
vegetable.
vegetable seller. That's fine. That's great. Okay. So, did you get married or you are single? You did
So
not
I
get
am
married.
still unmarried. I'm not married.
Okay. So, do you have any plan to get married?
Of course, but first of all, I want to become success after.
Yeah, it is absolutely fine. It is absolutely correct. Before getting married, we should have something like we should have sources to make money, to earning money. That is the thing we need
Yeah,
to keep in our mind before getting married. Yeah, that's perfect. And tell me something. Do you have any questions so you can ask me?
uh, actually, you are working right now. D- actually, you are dentalist.
Yes, I am a dentalist. I am a dental technician. Actually, I am working. I'm not working right now. I am on holidays. So tomorrow is my train. I am going. I'm about to go to Delhi tomorrow.
Actually, I want to know that why you are learning this language. Why you want to learn this language?
You want to know that why I am learning this language. So I would love to share. I would love to explain that why I'm learning this language. Bro, the first thing is that I just want to improve my personality. I just want to develop my personality.
Yeah.
That is the because if I able to speak English confidently, then it will definitely effect on my personality that he's the man, he know how to speak. I will get much respect in everywhere. But, English is very popular in this generation. We all have good command on this language. So and I just want to go to abroad, like other country, foreign countries. So if I will go to foreign countries, so it is very necessary, it is compulsory to you. I have good knowledge about English speaking. I can
Of course.
yeah, this is the reason. And the third thing is that if I'm able to speak with confidently and effectively, so where I will work, wherever I will work, I will get much respect. I can easily getting improve fastly because I have skill. I can easily implement in my work. So that is the reason. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Uh, so you are learning this language. You have learning this language for 2 years, since 2 years.
You bro, I have completed my uh, I have completed my education in 2022. In that time, I was not able to communicate. I don't have. I had no knowledge about English. I can't say about one single sentence in English at the time. But I when I went to the Delhi, so my uncle told me that you have completed 12, and he thought to take a exam, like take a lesson of me. So he gave me a paper, English newspaper, and he told me that please read it loudly. I just want to listen that how much English knowledge do you have. So when I started to reading that newspaper, so I was unable to read. There are many different difficult words are there in that newspaper. So at the time my uncle told me you have completed 12 but you don't know how to read the newspaper. So what did you study? Why did you study? So at that moment I realized that this is absolutely right. I have completed my 12 but I am not able to read English. So it is not good for me. So my uncle take me to the uh, my uncle take me to the took me to the institute, English Academy Institute, where I have completed my diploma in 6 month diploma. So from that institute I started to speak English. I began to speak every day, little by little by, and from YouTube I have listened so many things. I improved my English a lot from YouTube. I get better advantage. I got advantages from the YouTube, and it's helped me a lot. So from that time, I just try to improving myself in this language. So uh, now I'm little bit confident. I'm little bit. I can speak English. I can easily express my thought, emotion with anyone. So this is a good uh, skill I have. I'm little bit fortunate.
Okay. So, bro, one thing I want to know,
Yes.
uh, if I want to upload this conversation video on my channel, can I upload this video?
Yeah, sure. You can upload this video. There is no issue. Definitely.
Thank you, bro.
So,
Thank
bro,
you.
much for giving me your precious time. I have some work that I want to complete right now. So we have to disconnect the call, disconnect the conversation, leave the conversation. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. We will talk some later. Okay.
Yeah,
We will.
bro. Have a
Okay. Bye.
nice day, bro. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.